Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in, so start by opening Zoom's schedule meeting flow. This gets you straight to the fields that matter. Enter a clear meeting topic and pick the date and time, making sure the time zone matches your attendees. Once done, check whether this is a one-time session or recurring. Choosing recurrence upfront prevents rescheduling later. Make sure basic visibility and calendar integration are selected so your invite can be added automatically. Now focus on middle configuration. Pick a meeting ID, generate automatically for privacy, or use your personal meeting ID if appropriate. Enable a passcode or the waiting room to control access. This is critical for security. Decide whether host and participant videos start on or off, and select audio options. If needed, require registration or add alternative hosts before saving. This helps with attendance tracking and co-host. Finish by saving the meeting and using copy invitation or copy meeting link to grab the URL and dial-in details. Paste it into your calendar event or message to attendees. Make sure the calendar entry shows the correct time and includes the full invitation text so participants have dial-in options. If somebody cannot join, check that you shared the right meeting ID and passcode, confirm app updates, and verify the host hasn't restricted participants from joining early. This usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.